Hey you guys, so I'm going to be showing you all the Bird Dog Real Estate website. And so this is what this is the updated website, what y'all are seeing here. When you go on it currently, it looks like this. So I'll give you guys the grand tour of it right now. Right now it's a regular chat, so if you want to send the team a message, you'll be able to do that, but soon it'll be turning into a members chat. And like I said, you can chat one-on-one with other site members, so that'll be getting up soon. This guy already signed up, and you can create group chats and all that. And so on the current website, got the coming soon. And if you click on this picture, it'll take you to our Google site. This is where everything is still available, for the most part at least. And about Bird Dog Real Estate, we started as a Facebook group to help educate beginner investors on how to get into the real estate investing industry. We now service bird dogs, wholesalers, and investors nationwide. Explore our website to see what we can offer you. And I've been asking people to subscribe to this list so they can know when the official launch happens. And so 2017 to 2021. Now this would be the main aspect of the website, well, other than the members and stuff, but coming soon. As a bird dog, you'll be able to send in your driving for dollar leads and get paid for them. As an investor, you'll be able to purchase these driving for dollar leads after they're skip traced, and I think that's pretty cool. I used to get paid like $3 to find houses, and so if I can offer around that much or a little less, a little more depending on the situation, then resell those leads after getting them skip traced, I feel like that's a pretty cool thing. So yeah. Now, REI education. Coming soon, you'll be able to purchase the Bird Dog Real Estate course via Skillshare, Kajabi, and directly from our site. If there's any more like websites or anything that I can share the course on, then I'll either mention it or tell you guys. Our courses are for bird dogs for $50 or whatever price your monthly subscription payment is. And wholesalers is $500. That is after we get the whole mastermind finished and the book written. It won't be $500 for a while. Check out our free webinar available on our website and YouTube videos for bird dogs. If you're a wholesaler, check out our free mini course available on our website, YouTube, Facebook, and IGTV. So if you click here, it'll take you to this page. And this is where you can listen to the Bird Dog Real Estate webinar. And if you click on the wholesalers button, it'll take you here. This is where you can access the free mini course. Now let me see if this, so my mastermind, that post on the Google site got deleted, and so it's not there. I'm not even stressing the mastermind right now. It's mostly about getting people to the website and getting all this free information, education, resources, all that stuff. So the National Bird Dog List. If you're a bird dog, you can join the National Bird Dog List to be connected with investors in your market. If you're an investor, you can request a copy of the National Bird Dog List to connect with bird dogs in your market. So what is the National Bird Dog List? The National Bird Dog List is compiled of bird dogs all across the United States. Investors will be able to see exactly how experienced a bird dog is before working with them. Investors will also know bird dog strengths and weaknesses. Investors will see what type of approach to take when communicating with bird dogs about payment options. As of right now, the National Bird Dog List is available by request only. Soon you'll be able to purchase a copy per market instantly. Each market will be updated monthly. Oh, and this just takes you, if you click either of these buttons, you can join the list, get a copy of it. You get taken to these pages here where you can just sign up and or buy. Now this is something, I'm not pushing this too much, but I think this is probably going to be the biggest part of BDRE. What exactly is BDRE? Well, that stands for Bird Dog Real Estate, but I'm not rebranding, because Bird Dog Real Estate is still its thing, but I will have a distinct difference between Bird Dog Real Estate and BDRE. Bird Dog Real Estate is for education purposes. BDRE is more on the actual investment business side. So coming soon, you'll be able to invest with BDRE via REITs, JV, wholesaling, and buying properties. Currently, you can send us apartment deals. We're looking for apartment buildings nationwide with 100 plus units and 30% under market value. Must be cash flowing. And you can send in the apartment deals on there. But yeah. And I didn't set this up because I don't really care. Y'all know who I am. Y'all know how to get in touch with me. There's a little chat box here. And that'll be on the updated version of the website. So this is the current website that you can access now. This is the URL up here, birddogrealestate.wixsite.com/BDRE. Yeah. So now that one's done, this is the new website. So we're on Wix.com. That's the developer I use. This is not sponsored, though I am working on it. I want to see if I can get sponsored by Wix. That would be dope. But this is what it looks like, you guys. So as you can tell, already a little bit of a difference. You got the search bar. You got the notifications. You got the members info. You can check your profile. You can check your account. You can log out if you want to, my guy. And so, yeah. This is still the same. What's different besides this? So, this is if you're in the mastermind group. I will be sharing this video into the mastermind group and into the Bird Dog experts. I'm not going to share this video with the larger group. This is really for people who are invested into Bird Dog Real Estate. They'll find out about it. They'll find out about it eventually. I plan to launch in this summer. And so, yeah. This will be where we upload. Like, I'm gonna really be getting away from Facebook. So, most of the videos and all this stuff is gonna be uploaded into here. This is for the mastermind group only, though. So it's gonna be uploaded into here. I'm going to get the website to where I can upload as many videos as I want, upload as many files as I want. And the thing about it is, anybody can upload. Anybody can post, whatever they want in here. So it's really beautiful what we can do on our own website without Facebook interference. We haven't had too many issues with Bird Dog Real Estate on Facebook, but with everything going on, when your president can get kicked off social media, I just stopped trusting it. So I'm building my own website so we can make sure all of our stuff is good. And so under contact, this is for under REI education, and that's the mastermind group. It's members only, so it'll have a password on it. So under contact us, it's a regular contact us form. And then you have access to go back to our Google site if this one's a little easier for you to use, or if you just like it better. I don't know. Make sure you order this book here. Small plug. This is my mom's book. I think it's awesome. It gives you the basis of business from a biblical perspective. Alright. So questions and discussions. This is our forum page. Woo! So, this guy, I don't even know how he was able to post in here. But, he posted current retired loan underwriter based out of, Southern California. But, as you can see, this is how you can interact. You can comment, upload content to it. Like it, all that stuff. You can follow the post. That's how all that stuff works. like I said, this is not the published website, so I have no idea how this got here. When I first saw this, I was like, how do you eat? What? So, yeah, but that's what you can do. Yeah, you can start your own forums, start your own discussions, all that stuff, and ask questions, all that. This is the group page. You can start your own group. Yep, totally cool. I think that's going to be a lot of fun for people. Pretty much taking the Facebook group culture, from with the mindset of each of us from Bird Dog Real Estate, and growing our own little communities over here for real estate purposes. So, if you're like seller finance wholesalers in Chicago, you can start your own group here, and you can do that. I think that's cool. This is only accessible by members only. Yeah, the forums pages, forums page, that one is public, but this is only accessible by members. I'll show you more about that later. Did I finish this page? I sure did not finish this page. Alright, this is just what our Google site looks like. I just involved it there. This is also a members only page. People can only access this page if they are a member. This is where, this is like pretty much your it's not your friends list, it's everybody, but like you can follow people, all that stuff. And yeah, this is where you'll be able to find all the members. It's so cool. Like, it has its own little search engine in here. And so let's go to my profile. Alright, so it's literally your own little thing, your own little space. And so you can post on here pictures, videos. It's like just, it's social media. It's pretty much its own social media. But we're all real estate professionals over here. You see everything you've written, everything you've posted. Anything you upload. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I haven't been over here yet, so now I'm exploring. And so that's so cool. Wow. Okay, so I guess this is this is your own personalized URL that other members can see. I think you'll be able to personalize it, or they personalize it for you, I'm not sure. But of course, this isn't official. This is not official because, like I said, it says editor. So, don't try to copy this link and then be like, oh, I'm going to hack into it. No, nothing on here is finished, so don't even try. Your notifications, man. Oh yeah, this is when everybody I still don't know how this happened. Enrique, you're like a freaking genius. I have no idea how you got here, man. But you guys have subscribed to the mailing list for when the site does go public and is officially published. I apologize for butchering your name if I do. Sanandan, he is one of our moderators, fairly new one. I think he's from India, which is really cool. He was the first person to sign up. This was late last year. And yeah, there's notifications. Like, it's just basic stuff, basic social media. Yep. Y'all understand how that stuff goes. And so yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video and just seeing what we have coming soon. I'm very excited, like, honestly. And so, let me also tell you guys a couple more things. Do I really have notifications right now? What? Why is it red? I thought I checked everything. Like, do I have to open it? Do I have to open it? Can I open it? Like, fam, you're not just gonna alert me over here and then not, okay, anyway. For more information on how you can invest with BDRE, this is my actual, company. This is what the company I used to wholesale with. Some of you may be familiar with it. If not, and this is my company. I also use it for acquisitions for, different partners I have. And so, thank you for partnering with us. We take our relationship with our investors and partners very seriously. If you're on our email list, you get insight on our business instantly. You also receive full transparency on our operation. And then there's options for everybody. This is for Memphis. So if you're a bird dog in Memphis, you're a wholesaler in Memphis, you're a buyer in Memphis, this is for you. But this is nationwide. You can send apartment deals. You can get funding for your deals. And this is something I'm trying out where people can view my current contract inventory. And I'll be sharing more about my wholesaling experience on in the mastermind group. That's not really for everybody to know about. You can know about that in the mastermind group. What's this here? Ooh. You can send messages? Oh my gosh. I got a chat bot on my wholesaling website. Up your game. If you're a wholesaler and you don't have a website, up your game, man. Okay, let me stop. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Super excited. I love you guys. I pray for you all the time. I really think that the community we've built is beautiful and precious, and that's why I don't fear anything happening to it. It's just I'm preparing for the worst, and if nothing happens to Facebook, I mean, dope. Now we got a cool website to go along with the group. So I think that's really cool. Either way it goes. And so make sure y'all get over to my mentor Hamza's course. I think he made this one free now for everybody. He did gift it to me a few years ago. But, now he's doing a lot more stuff. He has a new YouTube channel, all that. I got banned from his group again, so I don't know if his moderators just hate me or what, but, I still got his course, still learn from him. This is Wholesaling Mastery 7, Empire Builders Elite Real Estate Education. And so, yeah, where am I? I don't know exactly where I am in the course, but I'm pretty far down, so I gotta see exactly where I'm at. Now, I'm just going over things because I have been out of the wholesaling game for a little bit, so just taking a refresher. Who better to learn from than somebody who's making 7 figures, and now he's working on making, he has coaching for 8 figures now. So if you don't want to learn from him, I mean, yeah, it's cool to have a smaller business, but this is what I'm on right now. Nationwide investing and pretty much taking over the local. Now this is Memphis, like I said, but I am slowly transitioning into doing deals all over Tennessee. And yeah, I'm starting in Nashville with my sister. She lives up there. She goes to Fisk University, and she was interested in wholesaling, so I got her bird dogging up there, working with her, teaching her how to wholesale, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. And if you go to my website, you can also see this. Yeah. So, and if you want to send in apartments or get funding or whatever, you can go to this website. This one hasn't officially launched yet, but it is public. interwproperties.wixsite.com/cash offer/investors, and that's how you can get there. So yeah, that's it. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you.